Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Qonto Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Qonto Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a business banking solution designed for freelancers and small businesses. Its main purpose is to simplify financial management by providing a user-friendly platform for managing transactions, expenses, and invoicing. Key features include multi-user access, expense tracking, and streamlined invoicing tools. Their website provides details on various pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Qonto boasts ease of use, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and a focus on simplifying the often complex world of business banking. They highlight their intuitive interface and robust security features. Availability is primarily focused on Europe, but their website offers details on specific country availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Qonto Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Setting up my account was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward and clearly guided me through each step. The interface is incredibly intuitive. I was able to navigate to key features like expense categorization and invoice creation without any trouble. I especially appreciated the automated expense categorization. It saved me a significant amount of time. The speed of transactions was excellent. Payments were processed quickly and efficiently. I had a quick question about integrating Qonto with my accounting software, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A really helpful agent guided me through the integration process. One minor drawback was the limited reporting options compared to some competitors. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Understanding my cash flow became much easier. The standout feature for me was definitely the multi-user access, allowing my business partner and I to easily manage our finances collaboratively. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Qonto. It streamlined my financial management significantly, and while it has a few minor areas for improvement, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use. That's my overview of Qonto Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.